Hello, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Intelli Machines. In this video we will see what is Python indentation, how to use Python indentation, what is its function in Python. In the upcoming next videos we will see what is Python functions, what are Python arrays, list, sets, tuples, dictionaries, and also we will see for loops and while loops. But before covering that, we must have a knowledge of Python indentation. But before starting this video, let me share a brief and quick introduction of Intelli Machines with you. You might be new to this channel, so let me share a quick introduction. In Intelli Machines, we are currently covering Python course from scratch to advanced level. Similarly, we are going to cover deep learning, machine learning and artificial intelligence from scratch to advanced level in our next videos. So if you are interested in any of them, then please make sure to subscribe Intelli Machines right now, so that you can get updates of our next videos. And don't forget to share this channel with your friends. Let's start it. So basically, Python uses indentation to indicate a block of code. So the indentation in Python is very important, whereas in other programming languages the indentation in code is only for the readability purpose. And if I talk about it in a layman terms, then you can say indentation refers to the spaces at the beginning of a code. Or just to clear the concept, you can also say this block of code as a body. So whatever you write within a body, that will execute, and if you write a code outside the body, it will not execute. So let's see it with an example that how Python indentation works. If I say 5 is greater than 2 if, and so now I am inserting a colon, and when I will press enter after inserting this colon, then it will start a body of this code. So whatever I will write within the body, that will be execute. Okay, and whatever I write outside this body, it will not execute. Now I am going to press enter, and here you can see the next line is starting after few spaces. Now I am going to write print yes 5 is greater than 2, and I will run this command. You can see it gives me the output. Okay, but what if I remove this space? If I remove these spaces from the start of this line, then this line will not be the part of this block of code, and hence it will give me an error. As I have told you, the spaces here at the beginning of line refers to indentation. So if I remove indentation from this line, then it will give me an error like this. Now it's up to me. I can either give a one space here, or I can give multiple spaces, but at least there must be a one space. So as long as the line will remain in a block of code, it will execute. If I press enter, then you can see the next line is also starting with an indentation, right? But if I want to end this block of code and I want to run a new code, then I can remove these spaces. And here is an advice for you. As you know, when you enter colon sign and you press enter, it automatically gives some spaces as an indentation. Try to don't mess with the indentation, especially if you are working in a nested code. We will see it later in our upcoming videos that what is nested code, but try to don't mess with indentation. I can now write anything here that will not be the part of above code. Okay, and here if I click on the run button, you can see it gives me no error, because now it's a separate code, it's not the part of this block of code. Fine. So what we learned today is whenever you will insert this colon sign and you will press enter, then it will start a block of code or a body. So whatever you will write within a body, that will execute, and if you go outside the body and if you remove indentation from it, then it will give an error. So that's all for today. See you in next video. Till the next video, take care. Bye.